Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I am Ana Grace Panagiton, 39 years old, from Philippines. My mother is 71 years old and she is still alive. My father was died at 54 years old that time in 2013. We are 9 siblings and I am the fifth of our siblings. I am married and I have 2 boys kids. My eldest is 16 years old and my youngest is 7 years old. In 2005 to 2007, I started to work as a housekeeping and personal assistant to my employer in 3 years here in Ayala, Alabang Village, Philippines. And I work again as a caregiver in 2 years and 5 months in Makati City, Philippines. And my third employer in 2021 to 2023, my work is all around housemaid. I am cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and take good care of their pets. When I finish my work, also I am a babysitter of their only one child and she is 10 months old before. I am happy to serve them. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, honest, and patient. If you hear me, I will do my best to help you while getting my job. Thank you and God bless.